Hi, Apple stock has crushed it in their earnings, and there's big news at Apple, and let's check it out. So Apple beats earnings and announces stock split, and the shares have soared to a record high. Woohoo! My Apple stock friends. So if you were scared to plunge into Apple because it was $300 and some, Apple after hours is around $408 right now. So, and it went as high today as, it's 408, trading really high. And the previous week, it dropped to 374. So you might want to check out Apple. In the next month, Apple is going to do a stock split. So let's get into it and tell you what's going on. So Apple shares gained 5.2% today and pushing shares past the 400 mark. And that's good news. The company's third quarter earnings, they had a net income of $11.25 billion, which equates to $2.58 a share, and that was up from $10.4 billion than the prior quarter. So this is fantastic news for Apple. Really fantastic job, Apple. Great job. And it's just wonderful news. And I'm gonna read you what the Apple is going to do. Let's see. The Apple Board of Directors has approved a 4-for-1 stock split, so that the Apple stock will be accessible to more investors. So check it out, Mogul girls and guys, that you'll be able to be an Apple investor if you like. And so if you are an Apple shareholder of record at the close of business on August 24th, 2020, you will receive 3 additional shares for every share you hold on the record date, and that trading will begin on a split adjusted basis on August 31st, 2020. And also, they have a cash dividend that will be approximately 82 cents per share of the company's common stock. And the dividend is payable on August 13, 2020 to shareholders of record at the close of business on August 10th, 2020. So this is just fantastic news. Apple's last split was on April 23rd, 2014, and that last split was a 7-for-1 split, and a buyback program was announced at the same time. So people are thinking this is fabulous. I'm excited about it. Maybe you're excited about it, especially if you're an Apple holder. If you're not an Apple stock holder, it's not too late to jump in there if you like. And just their revenue for the iPad business climbed to $6.5 billion from $5.2 billion. And the revenue from the Macs came in at around $7 billion compared with $5 billion a year previously. And it's just wonderful. They saw revenue increase from $13.6 billion from $11.4 billion in the quarter. So that's lovely. And even though the company had to shut down its stores outside of China and the stores that had to shut down in March, they're just rallying. And their chief executive, Tim Cook, also is facing the House Judiciary Committee regarding the antitrust issues. The big FANG stocks are there, the Google, the Facebooks, the Microsofts, and Amazon and Apple. So this is just fabulous. So Amazon, Alphabet, Facebook were top executives were also questioned at the hearing, joined Apple reporting June quarter's earnings this Thursday afternoon. So this is just fabulous news. Everyone's excited. Everyone is just so ecstatic that Apple reported $11 billion in profits and almost $60 billion in revenue. And that destroyed expectations of all. And we're just excited. So I hope you're excited to just see the beauty of what can happen when you learn to grow your money. You know, take the fear out of stocks and money and learn how to embrace money and grow money, learn about the companies, get excited about companies, and then even if you're coming in late, I was a late comer into the Apple stock, and trust me, I wasn't one that got in at $377. So you guys are coming in a little bit lower than I even got it for. So that's one of the things. My friend who has been in the business for a long time, he says, no matter when you buy it, it always goes lower after you buy it. It's very hard to time the market. Some people can do it, but he goes, you know, when stocks go down, they go up. And if you're looking at a company for long term, you know, I liked Apple because of the cash on hand. It's such a great product and we need it every day. And I like the ease of use. My mom and elderly people who have, you know, it's hard for them to use phones and like they have arthritis, and she can easily use this Apple phone, which I love. So I'm just really, really excited. I'm so happy. I just wanted to share this news with you real quick and just give you some interesting information about it and just see if you get excited. So their June quarter performance was very, very strong. And especially during these challenging times is what Luca Mastri, Apple CFO, said. And you know, thank you, Amazon, for having online delivery. Thank you, Walmart. Thank you for all the online delivery. Thank you for all the UPS guys and the FedEx and everyone who's delivering. It's just their earnings per share grew by 18%, generating operating cash flow of $16.3 billion during the quarter. Just fabulous. Just fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. So let's see if there's anything else that I'd like to tell you about it. It's pretty much it. Just they crushed their earnings. There's going to be a stock split, and it is at the shares are a record high. So I'm encouraging you to check out Apple, see if you like it. If you're an Apple phone user, or if you use the Mac or an iPad, you know, I just love the Apple. I have my Apple iPad, my Apple phone, and I do have my Dell computer because I'm very petite fingers and it's smaller for me and it's a touchscreen. So that's why I went with the Dell X Pro for a computer that's more feminine for me. But otherwise I would have had the new Mac. But I just wanted a touch screen. So I'm just encouraging, check out the Apple. It's a FANG stock. It's a tech stock. And it is just doing fabulous. And, you know, just want to wish you a great weekend. And just thank you for listening to the podcast. You've made Girl's Guide to Investing a hit all around the world. People are thanking me. They are, you know, just dipping their toe into investing. They are just giving me great feedback. You're sending me questions. Thank you for your Patreon support, and Patreon/Sneakies. Check out my other podcast. It hit #1 around the world, Enchanting Book Readings. It's for kids and families. And just have a super fabulous weekend. And let's get rich. And do check out, if you haven't invested yet, hit the link below, Robinhood or Webull. It'll give you a free stock. You don't even have to buy anything. I'll just give you a free stock for signing up, and Webull will give you a second stock once you deposit $100. So you have 2 stocks with Webull. Check it out. And then you can use your link to send to other people, and when they use your link, you'll get a free stock. So, you know, if you never invest in anything, you can make money by just sharing your Robinhood link or your Webull link. So let's make money together. Let's get rich. And then do check out Apple stock, one of the FANG stocks, and just a really great company all around. We're just so excited about it. And it is the AAPL is the ticker symbol. Ticker symbol AAPL. The Big Apple takes a bite out of the stock market and is making investors very, very happy. So let's get happy and let's get rich. Have a beautiful weekend and stay healthy, wear the mask, And let's just celebrate today.